First cast in the first spot.
Don't get hunged up.
Mm-hmm. That's dumb. That's pretty cool. Nice one. Finally. Let's go, Jace. Pull him. Oh, he's under the boat. Get him up.
Ooh.
Yep, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Throw him on in.
I'll just use them kill tags.
That's a pretty good fish, though. It's healthy.
You know what I didn't do? I should have brought
We'll launch him.
kill tag on the basin.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Nope. Never mind.
I hope these work the same.
That's the same lure, isn't it?
Yep. Double up.
Yeah, Mason, you want to move?
No.
Oh my God.
Dude, why? How does he do that? Everybody catches a pounder and then he turns into a 2.
Oh, yeah.
That might not be. I like releasing my hand,
A hot spot. I ain't caught nothing.
Nice, bro.
Cause you gotta move the dag on boat forward. That's why. Yeah, get it.
Hooked up. Let's go. First fish. Yep. Ain't too bad. Double up. Let's go, Jace.
I'm about tired of both of y'all. Golly. You're trying to kill it? Get it up. You know what? You figure it out yourself. I'm fishing. Both of you. Figure it out.
Let's go. Yeah.
I don't know who's taking it, but I ain't.
Release.
All right, at 42.
Some more cast. Look at this spot. Holy.
You clicker?
I'm gonna get smacked right here. I definitely crossed you, Jace. Yep, I crossed him. Here. Bring it up here. I might be able to. Oh, gosh.
Made it worse.
Bring it into the boat. Wait. No, it's fine still. What?
Laid eggs in their pond.
Did it really?
Uh-uh.
Is he? Oh, look. There, you see the duck in there?
Oh. So
That means that pontoon does not move very often.
that's crazy. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh.
Found a fish and then put it on.
Oh, come on, too, bro. Are you serious? And we're not in the sea, by the way.
No, but that's called a seawall.
I know. Nice.
Yeah, that's a
Oh.
nice thick fish.
Dang, came off.
New species. If you can find out, I'm gonna throw you out in the water without fish.
Oh, gosh. Good one.
You know,
It's pulling my... Oh, shoot, that thing's tiny.
half-pound fish and damn drag on.
Dad, I'm on the... Let's go. See you, buddy. Hey, did you click mine, Jace?
Are you flipping serious?
Did your line snap?
Yeah.
Dang. I gotta get one though. Hey, that's a good one. Dude, your drag is way too loose. That thing's fighting for you.
Yeah, I find it funny.
Holy crap! It's a drum! It's a drum! Dude, that thing's pulling.
Big drum.
Oh yeah.
Break that reel over on that rock.
The best fight in the world.
Nice.
No, but it's fast enough where it won't get no more water in it.
We need some more fish.
Yeah, you need to move spots. This ain't no good.
Hold on, I'm about to get one.
I didn't know Jake wants to circle around. I want
Hold on.
Let's go.